So in this question, we have to not predict, tell the answer. Mm, on which of the following carbonyl compounds gives lactic acid on their hydrolysis. So first we have to check. First we have to know what is a cyanohydrin. So cyanohydrin is a compound which has a OH and a CN bond on the same carbon atom, and we have to do hydrolysis of this cyanohydrin, and uh, on hydrolysis of the cyanohydrin we get lactic acid. So what is lactic acid, you may ask? So lactic acid is a compound which is like this. Okay, so we have to solve this option by option and then get to the answer. So first option we have HCO, and first we have to do first we have to convert this compound into a cyanohydrin, and that we can do by reacting it with HCN. Okay, and what happens is in this mechanism we have H at O, and this nitrogen group or the carbon group goes on the carbon. So we have something similar to this. And if we hydrolyze it, we get this. So this compound is not lactic acid. As we have already mentioned, the lactic acid is a compound which is like this, and here we have H and here we have CH. Therefore this is not the option. So now let's check the B option. First we'll convert this into a cyanohydrin, which will come here. This charge will come here. It will be like this. And now when we hydrolyze this by adding H3O plus ion, we are, if you look at the hydrolysis of this cyanide ion, it happens as this. First this bonds breaks up, and we have a OH group at here, and then this bonds breaks up and we have a double bond O group here. So the hydrolysis product of this cyanide ion is like this. Okay, so when now we hydrolyze this, we get this. So this compound, if we rearrange it, so this compound is the same as the lactic acid, which we were talking about earlier, and lactic acid was like, therefore B is the correct option and B is the answer. Thank you.